And that's another first down, folks. What a play!
Dad, change the channel. It's time for Itchy and Scratchy.
Joe! No way, boy! I am about to see the historic game-winning kick.
Doesn't anyone consider watching the news on sustainable engineering? Or at least turning it off so we can have some family discourse?
Shut up, Lisa!
Shoot like a caution expect, Lisa.
Oh, for crying out loud!
Now, children, at least watch something we could all enjoy, like that reality show about gardening.
Look, Dad, free donut. But it's right behind you.
Woohoo! Donut. Oh, a donut. Why? Why would a son deceive his own father? For a mere donut.
Now all signals will be redirected to the educational channel. Everyone will be forced to learn about nuclear history.
No!
Come on, boys. Nuclear history is good for you.
Dough! This is my greatest failure.
Oh, Maggie.
Well then, time for more ice cream.